Okay, and now we'll have this part of the leg.
You want me to hold it?
Yeah, sure. We have this part.
Okay.
So let's begin on the inside of it. Basically, this goes over here. That's the original pose. And if we see on number 38 over here, it is gonna be the gastrocnemius. And on number 39, we have the soleus, which is, we must open that, this, and this part right here. This is gonna be the soleus. It's gonna be inside of the model. Now, if we put this back,
Okay, so that again belongs in these are the dendrites, and then this would be a multipolar neuron. Okay, and what
if
is
we put this back, now we will have many functions right over here. For example, let's begin with 41, which is right over here. This one is going to be the popliteus. And then on 42, if we move bottom, you're going to have the flexor digitorum longus. This is this muscle right over here. And on 43, we have the extensor hallucis longus muscle. It is behind. And just to let you know, this has to be removed. And for 40, which is right over here, can be hard to see.
So it's just a thing.
It is tibialis posterior muscle. Why? Because it's in the back. Now if you rotate it like that,
So this is a Schwann cell.
right this way, which is the lateral way,
Any other type of cell?
on number 35, which is this muscle right here, we're going to have the fibularis longus muscle.
The oligodendrocytes. And do they look?
And on 34, we're going to have the extensor digitorum longus. It's going to be this part right here. This is the lateral view of the feet. And then on 33, we have something called the tibialis anterior.
Thank you.
It is right over here. Why? Because this is the tibia and it is anterior to it. This right here is the bone. We don't need to know that. And on 44, we have the extensor hallucis longus muscle. It's going to be this point right here. And now if we move, and now on 45, which is right over here, this muscle, we have something called the extensor hallucis brevis muscle. This is going to be right over here. And now if we move, so this right here is the same muscle. Why? There's just these things that's separating them. So it's the whole same muscle. And now if we move to the soleus, we will have point 67, which is going to be in the back. And that is going to be the femoral artery. And now if we turn it on the back, right over here, this is going to be 49. That one is going to be
these are the only ones that can respond.
And then once
the flexor digitorum brevis muscle.
these gates.
And then if we move on 50, which is over here, we're going to have something called the lumbrical muscle of the foot.
Are there any particular neurons that start all of it?
Right over here.
Like
And yes, that's pretty much it.